Foods to avoid with kidney disease. If you have kidney disease, it's important to watch your intake of sodium, potassium, and phosphorus. When your kidneys become damaged and cannot function properly, fluid can build up in your body, and waste can accumulate in your blood. Here are foods you should try to limit or avoid on a kidney diet. 1. Dark-colored soda. Manufacturers of dark-colored drinks add phosphorus to their products to enhance flavor, prolong shelf life, and prevent discoloration. 2. Processed meats. Processed meats typically contain large amounts of salt, mostly to improve their taste and preserve flavor. Processed meats are high in protein and unhealthy due to their preservative contents. 3. Canned foods. Most canned foods contain high amounts of sodium, as salt is added as a preservative to increase its shelf life. It's often recommended that people with kidney disease avoid or limit their consumption. 4. Whole wheat bread. Due to the high content of phosphorus and potassium in whole wheat bread, people with CKD should instead choose white bread. 5. Bananas. Bananas are a rich source of potassium and may need to be limited on a renal diet. 6. Dairy. Dairy products contain high amounts of phosphorus, potassium, protein, and should be limited for kidney disease. Despite milk's high calcium content, its phosphorus content may weaken bones in those with kidney disease. 7. Oranges and orange juice. Oranges and orange juice are well known for their vitamin C content. They're also rich sources of potassium. Alternative fruits that are lower in potassium include grapes, apples, and cranberries. 8. Potatoes and sweet potatoes. Potatoes and sweet potatoes are potassium-rich vegetables. 9. Processed foods. Packaged, instant, and pre-made meals are highly processed items that can contain very large amounts of sodium and lack nutrients. It's best to limit these foods for renal disease. 10. Green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables like Swiss chard, spinach, and beet greens are full of potassium, especially when served cooked. It may damage renal tissue and decrease kidney function. 11. Dried fruits. Nutrients are concentrated when fruits are dried. Therefore, the potassium content of dried fruit, including dates, prunes, and raisins, is extremely high and should be avoided on a renal diet. 12. Ready-to-eat snack. Pretzels, chips, and crackers are easily consumed in large portions and tend to contain high amounts of salt. Additionally, chips made from potatoes provide a considerable amount of potassium. Subscribe to SF Healthcare for more informative videos.